We made it. This car in itself is incredible, but the story behind it is even better. I would love to see one of these driving around without the rear bumper.
That's what we're gonna do.
All right, perfect. Dude, you hear that? Oh. Good morning guys, and welcome to another video of GP Products, the performance company. And today it's a little bit a different kind of video because we are on our way, or we are about to depart to Romania together with the whole team. So it's going to be a fun trip, but also business. So let's keep that in mind. We are there with a goal.
Cappuccino for the cameraman, for myself.
Extremely hot. We made it. We just picked up our rental car. It's the French Urus, the Renault Arcana. Armando, I think you need to hold it. I think you need to help me. Otherwise we'll crash. We've arrived at Racebox. Look at the lineup. Holy shit. How are you, Remus?
Fine, how are you?
I'm doing great. Now that I see these cars, it's impossible not to do great.
It's a better day.
Yeah, it's a better day. Holy shit. This is insane. I mean, Armando, I think you should turn around and look at the cars we have here. Like SF90 with some Brixton, right?
Yeah, Brixton wheels.
Crazy Brixton wheels with a carbon.
Full PPF by us.
Yeah, of course. M3.
That's our first G80 project we've ever done. It's running like 780 horsepower.
Oh, if the looks weren't enough already.
It has a front mount intake, mounted by us.
This thing is catching my eye. This is a full ADRO M3. And I mean, just look at it. It tells enough. The Kivani Range Rover, L460.
Very big one.
Very big one.
Yeah, this is a full Kivani body kit for the range. We bought it and we said, okay, we have to do something with this range. You can't keep it daily. We did the full kit. If I remember good, there are like 62 carbon pieces in total.
62?
Yeah. If I remember good.
That's quite a big package.
Yeah.
Nice. And then here as well, some other goodies.
This has just a PPF done by us. This one has a full PPF, a full carbon OM plus 1016 carbon kit. And this just received the satin PPF. It was gloss silver and we made the transition to satin silver.
Got some TLC.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. Let's hop inside because they have something quite extraordinary waiting in the showroom.
We have a cool car.
If I would be welcomed here, I would immediately take my money, take my car, and make a masterpiece out of it.
The best piece out of this showroom is the F1 car.
That is the small one, right?
No.
This is a one-on-one scale as well, guys. This is how it is in real life, but it doesn't have an engine.
No, it's without an engine. It's just with the tires. The tires are original on it, and with the steering wheel, but it's no engine. Yeah. It's just for our showroom or for some events where we take the cars and everything.
And all the Pirelli stuff as well, like it really gives the clients like a trusted feeling. Like I know these guys know what they're doing.
All F1 pieces on the walls are original.
They've all been used in races and...
Yeah, they were used in races and then we buy them. So this one was Strolls. Okay, there's a pair of Carlos Sainz.
This is incredible.
Yeah.
Yeah, but let's go even further because it doesn't stop there, guys. This is really the one-stop shop, and I mean
this is just the entrance. As you saw, the car and the entrance.
It's just the beginning, trust me. So let's go to the wrapping bay. a little tour already a minute ago. And the first time I saw this car is the first time I've seen one in the flesh, and I really got goosebumps. This car in itself is incredible, but the story behind it is even better. But I think you can tell it better than I can, Rivens.
So this is a Sian prototype. It's one of the 3 they first made, and this is the only one that is still alive. We installed the satin PPF on it, and now I think we're gonna make it in a color. We're gonna wrap it in a color.
Customer wants something
it will
else.
Be a surprise. So this is the number 0.
Yeah.
It was gold, it was red, it was blue, it was green.
Every
a lot of colors,
but always this one.
Yeah, but now it's in Romania.
All right.
And it will stay in Romania.
Okay, yeah, cool. I mean, you can definitely see this one is like the inspiration for the Revuelto. But
yeah, I see it one-on-one with the Revuelto from the front. Mm-hmm. The back, yeah, it's different. I think it's something combined with Revuelto, Aventador.
Exactly.
A lot of things.
I'm lost for words when I'm looking at this car. It's incredible. And then over there, also a crazy car. But yeah, compared to that one, it's a bit less special. But Hurricane.
It's a nice pack.
Definitely.
It's a very nice pack, and I think it's the first one I see in this color.
Yeah. But I think we're not done yet here, right?
We're not done yet. This is just the rep center.
You have some more toys.
Yeah, a few.
Look at what we're looking at, like holy shit.
This is the service.
Oh my
This
God.
is the place where we install the body kits, where we install the exhausts, downpipes, intakes. Here we have a Mercedes GT that received the Carbonair white body.
My God.
It's the full kit. The car is fully wrapped by us. The wheels are Racebox wheels.
Okay.
We made our own set of wheels. Car is running a stage 2. It has downpipes on it. It has intake, so it's going fast too.
So you got the power to back it up. This is so sick.
And here is a big project, R8, that we're now doing a twin turbo on it.
Twin turbo. I would love to see one of these driving around without a rear bumper.
That's what we're gonna do.
All right, perfect.
Yeah, we're gonna when it will be finished, we don't want to put a back bumper because it's looking so mean without.
Yeah, come on, you can't hide this masterpiece. But tell me, how did you guys start with Racebox? What's the story?
We started 8 years ago from a garage that was, the whole garage was half of this one just.
Okay.
We were doing some software upgrades and some exhaust, but it was the beginning.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
And then we just evolved, we evolved. After that we moved in another place that was like, I don't know, not 2 times bigger than this one, but 1.5 times, something like that. And after that, 4 years ago, we moved into this place and we started doing more and more and more. Yeah. And we wanted more and more and more. And now we're here. I call this place every time a customer comes in, I tell him, sky is the limit for a car. Yeah. Because we can do everything on a car in this place. Yeah. From wheels to body kits to a lot of, I don't know, horsepower, body kit, everything.
Dyno runs as well.
Yeah, dyno, software upgrades,
wheel repairs.
Wheel repairs.
I mean, it's like I'm like a kid in a candy store right now.
Yeah. That's a normal day here.
Man, I love Romania already. This is only the beginning of our trip, but
I will show you some cool things tonight, I hope.
We're off for a little drive to put these cars in a better lighting, and then we can highlight the entire body kit of this car.
What?
So we just brought out this thing here to get a bit of a deeper look into the car. So this is the full ADRO bonnet, carbon fiber, combined with the carbon fiber lip with the ADRO front bumper with all the carbon fiber options in the front grille. The DRLs as well, always looks good, but that's stock. Over to the side we have these Alpha N fenders. The combination between ADRO and Alpha N, it's so cool. Something we don't see that often, but it's really cool. These side skirts look really good as well, can't say anything bad about them, but it's not supplied by us. It's not of no ADRO, no Alpha N, but does look cool. Over here we have some massive wheels, and I mean massive wheels. I mean, look at these things. When looking at it from this angle, I can't even see the face of the wheel because of how concave they are. And over to the back, I mean, come on, this is the biggest wing I've ever seen on any M3, but it looks so good together with the ADRO rear diffuser. And as we mentioned already, it's a bit of a different fitment than we usually see, but it fits because the wing comes a bit more further back, and now the diffuser as well. And the exhaust system, I mean, you guys heard it, and I don't need to tell anything more about it. But tonight there might be something special going on, so we won't waste any more time. Daylight is running out as well, so we better get going and enjoy the rest of the night.
That's coming with us, you hear it?
Is that a GT3 RS?
Yeah, with R1.
Is that a GT3 you're hearing?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Dude,
You hear that? Oh. It's probably
Where
like
is
half
it?
an hour away.
No way.
I can hear a GT3 RS coming for like half an hour, but I think it's close by now.
oh my god.
Armando, take over. Take over, Armando. Guys, let's just quickly go to the line. This is insane. Over there we have the fastest M3 in the whole of Romania. 100 to 200, 4.4 seconds. Imagine that. Now, Hurricane tucked away. You have a crazy R rating like a satin champagne. Hurricane Technica tucked away like it's nothing. This is a special one. This looks like a normal M3, but the guy that's driving it, that's where it's special because he's called the Drift King in Romania. Beautiful color on this M4. Ferrari Roma, also parked in the back in the shadows. Crazy M3 we drove earlier with an awesome exhaust note. And the guy that drives it, he knows what he's doing as well. And at this GT3, you will hear it from miles away.